So Jefferies reported a significant drop in the average age of buyout funds sold in the secondary market, with 39% of LP deals involving funds of 2019 or later vintages. Then that's the first half of this year. And those funds are trading generally at smaller discounts than earlier vintages, which you would expect. Does this align with what you've been seeing? And given that funds with vintage years of 2019 or later are making investments during a time of record valuations, why do you think investors are willing to accept a reduced discount to acquire them?
There's a lot to unpack there in terms of the duration of what is being sold versus kind of the ongoing opportunity set. I think when you think about the duration, one of the comments I made earlier is private companies staying private for longer. And so there's going to be a natural trend that you see of some of these fund vintages when normally it might take 4 to 6 years to invest in a company, get your value creation that you need, find the right opportunity to sell at a hopefully increase in multiple to generate your 2x or 2.5, 3x if you're investing on the growth side. It's just going to take longer now to get to that exit case. So it's not surprising that what we're seeing is secondaries market started with a little bit of a tail end cleanup kind of mindset, but today people are actually selling recent vintages or 2, 3, 4, 5-year vintages as part of their generating of the distribution and liquidity. So that's kind of point number one. And two is you're starting to see cycles. I have a feeling that in some of these 2019 to 2022 vintage funds, they may start to look like the 2005 to 2008 vintage funds in the sense that it just took longer. The market is still quite competitive, even though, when you think about the lack of fundraising and smaller fund sizes, deal environment is still very competitive to find the best companies. So it's taking longer to deploy the capital. And then IRR just kind of sneaks up on you before you realize. And when it does, it's very, very hard to course correct at that moment in time.